Hi guys, I'm Kamya Jani from Curly Tales and आप ही की तरह मैं भी अपने घर से ही काम कर रही हूँ in this social distancing or so to say in lockdown period. But I'm sure a lot of you are missing and asking about Sunday Brunch as a show, and we found a solution to that as well. Sunday Brunch goes online where celebrities will be joining us live from the comfort of their homes. So आप अब घर बैठे जान सकते हैं what your celebrity or rather your favorite celebrity is up to. And on our first episode, we have the star cast of 4 more shots joining in. Hello, ladies. Good to have you all with us on Curly Tales. Welcome to Sunday Brunch.
Thank you,
Hi,
Kamya.
Kamya. Thank you.
But when was the last time you all met in reality and not in the virtual world?
Me, Manvi, and Shiny met at Shiny's house like a week or 10 days before the lockdown.
Yeah. About a week.
Where is the fourth partner in crime, Bani?
She's
Bani
back.
Bani was done. Bani was just done with
She's on
it.
a silent retreat.
Okay, how is the self-isolation period treating you? I was seeing your story, Sani. You said that mera housework or cooking ho gayi. So are we all done with ghar ka kaam before we start this live?
I haven't done any ghar ka kaam today. I mean, I made some. I didn't make some breakfast. I had some breakfast around 12:30.
Okay.
But now I'm supposed to cook. Post this, I'll probably cook some lunch for myself. And no, I haven't done any jhadu, bartan, nothing today. Just too lazy.
Manvi, you've been living alone. How has it been for you?
Same. No, today I haven't done anything. I woke up late. I had breakfast. I made coffee for myself. And since then I've just been so I procrastinate a lot anyway. So today also I was like, "Arey, abhi 1 ghante mein to live hai, so let's." And then I was on. Also, we've been sharing and reposting and things like that online. So I've just been online today. Like I've just been scrolling through Instagram, Twitter, and haven't done anything. And proud of it.
हमने छुट्टी ली है घर के काम से आज.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I had a dream last night, girls. So my bathroom, and I do jhadu pocha every like 3 days a week. Because obviously I live alone and I have to do everything. But my bathroom I hadn't cleaned for a week, okay? Like deep cleaning.
Yeah.
And last night, and I'd been procrastinating, and every day I'm like, oh, tomorrow I'll do it, tomorrow I'll do it. Last night, I got a dream, a really long dream about dirty bathrooms, guys. So I was like, the first thing I did was clean my bathroom. It's sparkling right now. I have cleaned the tiles, everything, okay?
Okay, so let's play the game that I was talking about. How well do you guys know each other? So I'm going to ask a question about one person and the other two have to answer. Okay. So the first question is, if Kirti could have only 3 things in her self-isolation period, what are the 3 things that she would carry with herself? And then Kirti has to confirm if the answers are right by Manvi as well as Sani. So Manvi, you go first.
Lip balm, hand cream, and tea sacks.
And some kind of oil, like body oil or like face oil, lip balm, and her yoga mat.
Wow. Kirti, who
I
comes?
think I'll go with Manvi. She's closer to what I would probably carry and simpler.
What is the first thing that Manvi would do after the lockdown is lifted?
I will go first.
answer.
Good answer. Go to
Don't
go
give the
to
real answer.
Tanjore tiffin room for a meal.
Correct.
Oh my God, really? I wouldn't have come up with that. She would like catch up on her friends, like she'll probably call 20 of them eksath and like meet them like one after another in a room.
Yeah.
No, but I tell you what the
answered
thing is. I will go to Tanjore tiffin room to have chicken
with
chatira,
the friends.
but with my friends. Yeah. So it's like it's honestly combined. Like I'll call everyone and be like, "Aja."
Okay, let's go with the third question now. This one's about Sani. So, what is she doing most of the time in this quarantine period to keep herself busy?
Cleaning.
Yeah, cleaning her house. in different ways
Something
possible
or
and
the
different
other.
kinds of cleaning. Sometimes
Sometimes
it's like
bathroom.
surface cleaning, like dusting. Sometimes it's deep,
Sometimes deep
like getting
cleaning.
dreams about a dirty bathroom and then waking up in the morning and scrubbing it white. So yeah,
Is that right?
it's anything between these two extremes.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
We'll have another round of this, but let's talk about the
Okay.
new season launching. And in this season, you all have traveled to Turkey. Wow! I mean, from the teaser, it all looks really great. How was it traveling to this place?
Turkey was great fun, but we didn't end up having a lot of time on our hands to chill offset because it was a very hectic schedule or whatever. And Kirti and I then extended our trip and taken a girls' trip post the shoot, and that was fun. And then we came back, and then actually our Udaipur schedule was far more fun. Also, we were there much longer. We didn't, there were times that it was raining and stuff, so we had a lot of free time on our hands. We were also staying all together, like our rooms were right next to each other, so we were constantly in and out of each other's rooms. And yeah, we actually had more fun in Udaipur. Turkey was great, but it was really hectic, and we didn't get too much time to hang outside of set.
Okay, so which all places did you all visit in Turkey, Kirti?
I had been to Turkey even the previous year. So I went to Istanbul and Cappadocia the previous year. And
Right.
this year, me and Manvi went, of course, we were in Istanbul, but we also went to a place called Bodrum, which
Yes.
is more of a beach town. So, yeah,
Party
it
scene
was.
over there is absolutely insane. Did you go for the catamaran party as well?
No, we didn't. We were pretty much like on our own, yeah, just like chilling the
Yeah.
F out because like we were so tired from the shoot and we just wanted to like, and the food is amazing. Like we both, like I love their breakfast.
Oh my god, how
and
much we eat, yeah, how much we
Yeah.
ate in that.
food is so good. So yeah, we also shopped and we came back to Istanbul for another day or so. So yeah, it was. We went for the massage as well. Remember what is it
The
called?
hammam.
The hammam. Yes, the hammam. It's more of
Yeah.
a dhulai, but yeah.
Did you all try local cuisine out there?
But yes, of course. We all.
We were only on the local cuisine
Yeah.
out there.
Yeah. What about you, Sunny? You seem to be quiet here. Do you enjoy traveling?
No, I'm listening to that boardroom story. It's so fun. Istanbul actually was beautiful because one, the food, it's just a stunning looking place, and we also shot in multiple places. So actually, in the span of 4-5 days, we could see lots of places, and then after shoot every evening, I would go back to those places like little boutique shops. I actually shopped for a lot of jewelry.
Yeah.
I don't think these girls did, but I knew that I only had that little window, and I shopped a lot. And my card wasn't working, so it was like quite a stressful place because space to be in because everything is so pretty. I wanted to buy everything. But yeah, the food was insane.
I also think traveling is one of the best ways to bond, and especially girls traveling together can be quite.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
something we can recommend to all our followers who are watching us right now.
Of course, yeah. I mean, traveling alone, traveling with your girlfriends, like traveling. Whether you
Yeah,
are in a
period.
group or you're by yourself, I think traveling is one of the most amazing things that you can do for yourself. And I think everyone, no matter how much they earn, no matter what their budgets are, should try and have
Yeah.
some money saved and some time off to travel because we are all living in our own bubbles, in our own world, doing our thing and all of that. But when you travel, there's so much you see. There's so much you take in. There's so much you absorb, and there's so much you learn. There's so many people you meet, so many different cultures you come in touch with, and all of that you absorb, and you just bring it back with yourself, and it really adds something to you, as a person. So traveling is a must.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, Kirti, if there's one place that you would like to visit once the lockdown is over, which place would that be?
Whole year I was planning to, I really wanted to be in Edinburgh for that festival. They have an art festival, which is like a month-long festival. And they have everything. It's art. So it's like music and plays and, everything.
What about you, Manvi? What's on your bucket list?
I've been wanting to go to Greece for a while, for a really long time actually, and somehow invariably every time I've started out a plan of Greece, it ends up becoming everything else but that. So I have a feeling that I'll end up going there alone, which is
Oh.
okay, which I don't mind at
No.
all. But
Yeah, coming.
come.
You know, it's really funny because I didn't know this about Manvi, but Greece is, I've never been, but I think
Huh.
it's a place where I would like to settle down also, because just the blue and the white
It seems
together,
like
or
yeah,
or
we
get-
gel there.
yeah, and
Yeah.
or probably get married there if I ever do get married.
Yeah.
All these are obviously like, you know, fantasies, but definitely go to Greece, and Greece has been on my bucket list for so long, so many years. Also, last December I was supposed to go to Italy, and I was this close to going. I had booked everything, got my visas, and then I got a film, so I couldn't go. So, and it's so, now I'm scared because, you know, I don't know when the next
Yeah.
time will be to travel. But I definitely also want to see the Northern Lights.
Yeah.
Been on the
Yeah.
bucket list for a
Yeah.
while, so
So then time for another game, and this time it's a blame game where you guys have to guess. I mean, I'm gonna ask a question, and you have to tell me who that person is. Okay? Who's the naughtiest and would get beaten up?
But as far as someone being naughty and doing musty and then getting beaten up because of that, I think it could be me, because I pull everyone's legs, and I just sometimes don't know where to stop. So very likely that one day I'm going to be like thrashed. Very, I mean,
And
very.
it
It could be someone from the group only. It could be Shayani only. Put me in a sack and just go for it.
Okay.
I'm very non-violent. Yeah, I don't beat.
Who
Yeah.
is always late?
Shiny.
Shayani, you are the most
No.
late amongst us.
The biggest foodie?
Oh, eats the most. I think that's me.
I think all of us eat like
Not
a
Bani.
lot. Yeah.
I think
Bani
Shayani eats
also-
a lot.
Bani eats her kind of
Bani
food, but
also
she
eats.
a lot.
Yeah, Bani and Shayani, like Shayani loves eating, and Bioni,
What is wrong with
Shayani.
Shanvi, Bioni? I think it's time to get Kirti out of the house. She's done. This lockdown is too well for her.
I'm so done.
This room is not doing you any good, kid.
So yeah, Shai loves eating. I mean, we love eating, but Shai can actually eat a lot. And I think Bani, anyway, has to eat a lot because of her training and stuff. So yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But Bani only eats her stuff. Like, she doesn't eat
Yeah.
any outside food. She only
Yeah.
eats her cooked stuff.
Oh, okay. All right. Who would be the first one to panic?
Panic.
Panic, yeah.
I think I get my first reaction
Yeah.
to things fear. It's like ये कैसे होगा? ये कैसे करेंगे? Like that's my first reaction always.
Okay. Who takes the maximum time to get ready?
Don't say my name. Yeah, good. Good.
You pointing at Manvi in this virtual world.
No, Shayani.
No,
Our
Shayani.
windows are different. Shayani.
Do not say my name, guys.
Shanvi we are pointing at.
Shayani takes a lot of time.
Shani takes that.
Okay. Let's also talk about food now, and would like to know what is it that you guys love to eat. So Manvi, you go first. Tell me, what is your favorite dish?
I haven't eaten pizza in a while. And during this lockdown, I've been craving pizza because yeah, I'm not calling from outside and I don't know how to make pizza. So it's pizza something that I've been craving in this entire quarantine time.
Obviously, my favorite is Bengali and Japanese food. I think sushi would be like what I really
Yeah.
crave for. Outside food is sushi and biryani. Mutton biryani and sushi are my, like, if I am in Bombay and I can eat every day out, I would eat sushi every day or biryani every day for 2 meals.
Wow. What about you, Kirti?
I love South Indian food actually. It's my most favorite cuisine in terms of India.
Yeah.
But I'm like, I totally enjoy like, Maharashtrian food, Bengali food, and all other cuisines as well. Like even Bihari food, like Kashmiri food. I can't have Kashmiri. I mean, I think the non-veg gets too much for me. But the vegetarian dishes I so enjoy, Kashmiri ones.
Kirti, did you ever think that the content is a little too bold? And this I'm talking about season 1 and 2. And were you anytime unsure as to how the Indian audience will take it?
Well, I did know that the content, not just the content, but even the concept of the show in its totality is quite bold for the Indian audiences. But I think that's exactly the reason why this show, should have been made.
And Sammy, finally to you, you're having fun with two really hot-looking boys, Pratik as well as Milind. Who do you finally end up with?
If I tell you, then why should we at all release the show?
Yeah.
For the other three girls.
I'm curious.
Naturally. See, I told you. Kirti knows where to come in. Yeah, I end up with the other three girls. I don't go for. I mean, I have them, right?
Oh, okay. All right. Wonderful chatting with you all. Thank you so much for taking out the time and
Thank
sharing your
you.
thoughts as well as how you're spending your time at homes. So thank you so much, guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have fun.
Thank you for doing this.
Watch the show.
Bye.
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 But so that was the Starcast of FOMO Shots. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let us know who do you want me to interact with so you get to know your celebrities a lot more. That's me, Kamya Jani, signing off. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Curly Tales. Bye.